Water is one of the most precious natural resources. It makes up 70% of the Earth's surface and 80% of our body. Water is therefore the prime essential nourishment of our organism. On average, a person consumes 400 litres of drinking water per year. Without water, life would not be possible. The water we drink must be pure, living and rich in minerals. Alas, the water that flows from our taps, despite having started its journey from the main supply in a completely pure state, is spoilt by impurities collected along its course, and it often has a disagreeable taste owing to the addition of chlorine. If indeed we consider the per capita consumption in relation to the needs of a family of 4 persons, we arrive at a total of 1,600 litres of water carried each year from the supermarket to one's home or place of work. This means that someone has lifted and lugged 1.6 tons of bottles of water, and most importantly, has then dumped 1,000 plastic bottles in the environment. Multiplied by each family, this quantity turns into a mountain of plastic with a huge pollution potential. And how many of these bottles will end up in the rivers, in the woods, or along the roadsides? And how much fuel will be burnt in order to dispose of this refuse? And above all, are you sure that the water these bottles contain really is what you think it is? Is there any point in spending so much money and undergoing such toil when the best water is the one that gushes from your taps? A solution to all this labor and expense and environmental hazard caused by plastic bottles has been found by Cosmologic Industries. This has involved designing and producing a series of distributors of drinking water that, with the help of a sophisticated purification system, regenerates tap water and makes it excellent as regards both nutrition and taste, restoring it to its original quality. With a complete range that meets all requirements, from households to use in restaurants, catering, offices, factories and workshops, sports centres, and for the collectivity, Cosmologic Industries has achieved a real revolution. Now you have available all the water you want, whether chilled, still, or sparkling at ambient temperature, or even warm, directly from the mains supply. Up to date and ergonomic, the distributors solve the problems of transport, warehousing, stockage, and disposal caused by glass and plastic bottles, and they can be placed wherever the water supply arrives. Care has been taken with the design, too. In the smallest details, an extremely easy use is ensured by a push-button panel without in any way hindering access to the machine. Cosmologic Industries is a leader in the production of water distributors. For years, it has been investing its own human and technological resources in the design and innovation of its own products. Present in Italy and on the principal international markets, Cosmologic Industries is attentive to the requests coming from distribution and is unceasingly concerned to perfect its products in order to satisfy the needs of dealers and private clients. With its staff of specialist designers and technicians, it performs the entire production cycle in-house and applies the strictest tests to each product in compliance with the international norms. But the real revolution brought about by Cosmologic Industries is the elimination of water build-up, the solution to the aging and poor preservation of water. The machines connected to the main supply provide water as clean and fresh as at the source. At the heart of the machine is a carbonator produced in-house with precision in the smallest details as to design and realization. This guarantees a quality and quantity of sparkling and cold water constantly through time. The carbonator is made of materials to last and to ensure distribution of excellent drinking water, clean and with no waste substances. It is assembled with the maximum care in order to guarantee perfect working of the machine. The distributors are integrated with purpose-designed electric circuits, and attention has been given to the smallest details. As regards the starting materials and the production stages, they have revealed themselves to be extremely reliable in time and in perfect conformity with the strictest norms of the European community. Proof of this is the success the distributors are enjoying the world over in the catering sector, which is well known to be very demanding with regard to strength and ease of use. Cosmologic exports its products throughout the world, and the quality of its equipment is appreciated by the best-known firms in the sector. The range of Cosmologic water distributors covers the requirements of various sectors with models for the professional and domestic environments. This provides a constant source of drinking water of excellent quality, enabling considerable saving in labor, time and money. Cosmologic Industries thanks the thousands of its clients all over the world whose choice of water distributors has contributed to improving the environment. Let us go right to the source. Thus, we help the environment and drink purity.